What if my baking doesn't work? Plenty of people are better than me at baking, and should I just quit or stop? Hello, my name is Sanchiro, a food aficionado. These kind of questions I have been asking myself quite a lot, and I just kind of come to crystallize what I should do to stop blaming myself, to stop looking down on myself, and to stop this kind of bad behavior, which is not healthy at all. I think the only one who can answer this kind of question, you don't need to ask anyone for opinion for this kind of questions, but you just need to ask yourself one important question. Why you are doing what you are doing? Why you are doing what you are doing? If you can answer this question, everything is clear. The clarity is there. It will be crystal clear, and you know what you want, why you do. Why do you do that? For me, I keep baking because I love the process of baking. I can find joy from baking for many ways. From joy of enjoy the process of baking itself, and joy to give this happiness toward others too. What about you? Why you are baking? So ask yourself why you do what you are doing. You will find the answer within yourself. And if you don't mind, you can share with me. I'll be very happy to listen to yours. Your baking mates, Sanchiro.